Hi guys, welcome back to Lewis the Troll Spotter. Yes guys, I hope you're enjoying these trends on buses. And currently guys, I'm on 763 subscribers. But yes guys, I would like you all of you new who watch the channel, if you have a Google account, if any of you guys have a Google account, go onto the channel, click subscribe. It's free to subscribe to the channel if you have a Google account. So yes guys, please comment, please subscribe, click the notification bell where YouTube will notify every time I post a brand new travel adventure. And guys, really, come on guys, do subscribe, because we've got so much travel content coming up guys. So on the 28th of September guys, we are going on my uncle's cruiseabout. Yes guys, back to the cruiseabout. So I'll have the cruiseabout. And then also guys, on Monday, the exciting one, Monday, October the 7th, we are going to Orlando, Florida, where I'll be filming a commentary, boarding, seat tour, pushback taxi, takeoff, landing, a vlog, show off the car, a vlog in 7-Eleven, a villa tour, and a Walmart tour. And then to finish it off guys, I will give you a tour of my bedroom, and all of them will be the start of the travel vlog. But yeah guys, there's so much coming. There's going to be car POVs, shopping vlogs on my POVs, and so much more. And trust me guys, you do not want to miss out. So come on guys, subscribe to the channel, click that bell, and I hope you enjoy all my travel vlogs on the channel. And yes guys, I need all the support. So final time, click subscribe, click the bell, comment, like, and all that fun stuff. So the next video you will see guys will be at the fire station. Thank you guys, and again, keep subscribing and keep supporting the channel. Thank you. So until next time guys, until the fire station, take care, and I'll see you there.